Okay, so this is level J, 181B, and we are doing proof of identities. And in this, we are trying to find the values of A, B, and C to prove that all these equations are true for any value of x. So for this one, first things first, we're going to expand the right side of the equation using this formula. We keep this side the same, we expand using this formula, and this is the a cubed. I added the in the end because I forgot to in the beginning. So I replaced the a with the x and the b with the a, x cubed, and the b cubed here is the a cubed. I just added it in the end. Next, what I do is group the numbers that have the same variable in common. So for this one, I would group these two because they have x in common. I would factor it out. And I group these two because these are going to be the constants. So it's going to be something like this. Next, I'm going to find the same coefficients, so the same number of degree, and make them equal to each other. So first, I'm going to start off with x cubed. X cubed equals x cubed, so I don't even write that one. I'm going to head on into this one, and we're going to do -6 equals 3a. We don't include the x squared. It's going to look something like this. We ignore this and only focus about these two. Then we're going to go and head on over to the x. (15) equals 3a squared plus b, and that's our second equation. Our third equation is going to be to equal to the constant. So it's going to be a cubed plus c equals -7, and that's our equation 3. So over here, we're trying to figure out what a is and what b is. So first, we can figure out what a is. We're going to divide each side by 3, which means that a equals -2. Then we can plug in -2 into this equation, so that's going to be 3 (-2) squared plus b equals 15. So that's going to be 4, and that's going to be 12. So then we're going to subtract 12 on each side. Subtract, b equals 3. Then we're going to find c. C is a cube, so that means -2 cubed plus c equals -7. And -2 is going to be -8 plus c, -7. Add 8 on each side. C equals 1. And those are your answers. A equals -2, B equals 3, C equals 1.